inside scoop and stay in the know.
Get ready to dive into the latest updates within the USL community.
Keep yourself informed here in USL Passirimmu. Today's episode is filled with a heightened sense of significance as we enter the month, which holds great anticipation for many. It is a time when we can immerse ourselves in an increased sense of optimism, celebration, and happiness each day, particularly within the context of our Filipino culture.
Indeed, Sir Kyle, we recently welcomed the Yuletide season here at USL with a Christmas lighting ceremony last week, and the campus has been adorned with a splendid Christmas tree and a vivid array of lights, creating a festive ambience both day and night.
This festive spectacle consistently uplifts our spirits, evoking a warm and cheerful ambience. As we immerse ourselves in the festivities, the spirit of Christmas resonates throughout the campus, fostering a sense of togetherness during this special time of the year.
And during this festive season, we extend our deep appreciation to the divine as well as our beloved family members, relatives, friends, colleagues, acquaintances, and each individual who contributes to our lives.
Yes, Doc Riza, amidst the holiday season, our students and employees also remain committed to their academic pursuits and creative endeavors, resulting in a plethora of exciting updates for the university.
And we're not going to make it any longer. We now share with you a series of good news here in
USL Passirimmu.
Good news number 1. The University of St. Louis showcased exceptional success in the November 2023 Pharmacist Licensure Examination, securing its position as the top higher educational institution in Region 2. With a remarkable overall performance of 87.18%, the university produced 34 newly licensed pharmacists, further cementing its commitment to excellence in pharmaceutical education.
Good news number 2. The University of St. Louis has once again proven its commitment to excellence, as the Philippine Statistics Authority Cagayan awarded the university with the Outstanding Partner in Statistical Advocacy Award. The award recognizes the university's work in promoting statistical literacy and its valuable contributions toward advancing statistical research and analysis. Dr. Rina M. Reyes, VP for Administration, received the award in a ceremony held on October 6, 2023.
Good news number 3. Miss Angela J. Flores of USL's Basic Education School demonstrated exceptional skills, achieving remarkable success in the 102nd Central Northern Luzon Cordillera Swimming Coaches Association Swim Series. Flores won 3 gold medals in the 200-meter individual medley, 50-meter freestyle, and 50-meter backstroke, and 1 silver medal in the 50-meter butterfly. With her feats, she emerged as the most outstanding swimmer. Congratulations!
Good news number 4. Grade 10 student 𝗪𝗪𝗲𝗏𝗂𝗃 and Grade 12 student Rench Michelle Marie Ramilo won the title of Mr. and Miss ASEAN UNESCO 2023 pageant in the Schools Division of Tuguegarao City. The competition, held at Katagaman Elementary School on October 27, 2023, commemorates Indigenous Peoples Month and was organized as part of the Indigenous Peoples Education Initiative by the Department of Education. Again, to our Mr. and Miss ASEAN UNESCO 2023, congratulations!
Good news number 5. USL's Team Clarity has demonstrated exceptional talent and innovation, earning them a position among the top 10 finalists in the 8th Philippine Startup Challenge. Rodrigo Bayan III, Richmond Lavadilla, and Emmeline Liamas, with their mentor Mr. Sander Sedano, bested its competitors among 629 entries from 158 schools and universities nationwide. Congratulations to the team!
Good news number 6. The University of St. Louis and the local government unit of Rizal Cagayan have initiated discussions on a collaborative project focused on studying the Malaweg culture. They are exploring the possibility of establishing a dedicated center for Malaweg studies, which would support research, preservation, and academic pursuits related to the Malaweg language, folklore, and culture. This endeavor aims to promote understanding and appreciation of the Malaweg heritage and safeguard their rich heritage.
Good news number 7. Dr. 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗧𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗔 Reyes, the first indigenous peoples festival in Hong Kong as a resource speaker and judge. With his expertise, he highlighted the crucial role of education in advancing and safeguarding indigenous communities. The festival provided a vibrant platform for the indigenous Filipino community in Hong Kong to share their traditions and culture through a parade walk and visual presentations.
Good news number 8. The administration and academic units of the university convened on October 17 to 18, 2023 in preparation for USL's ranking submission to the 2024 World University Rankings for Innovation. The 43 participants actively engaged in focused and productive discussions about University of St. Louis' innovative programs, achievements, and contribution to society. The insights obtained from this discussion will help create compelling narratives to showcase the university's strengths, ensuring successful ranking submission.
Good news number 9. 3 students from the Basic Education School brought immense honor to the university as they secured bronze medals in their respective math competitions. Clyde Aldrich Paleg, grade 9, emerged as the bronze medalist in the Philippine International Math and Science Olympics national round held on September 10, 2023. Further, Princess Chessy Bambalan, grade 5 Marigold, and Arton Yoshi Siazon, grade 1, also won a bronze medal each in the Hong Kong International Math Olympiad final round conducted on August 25 to 28, 2023. Congratulations!
Good news number 10. The university's CCA music team from the Basic Education School emerged victorious in the DOST 2023 Regional Science, Technology, and Innovation Week Jingle Contest after being crowned champion among the 7 teams from Region 2. Their success, under the guidance of their coach, Mr. Daniel Lagundi, showcased their ability to creatively express scientific concepts through music in the competition held at Robinson's Tugigaraw on November 16, 2023.
Good news number 11. The reception rites of the pioneer batch of USL's criminology program mark a momentous occasion, signifying the students' transition from students to professionals. This is a significant milestone for the program as it represents the foundation of the first generation of future criminology professionals produced by USL who are equipped with the knowledge and skills necessary to contribute to society and the criminal justice system. The reception rites were facilitated by the Philippine National Police AVSU-2, which took place at USL's Bishop Constant Churgens campus on November 17, 2023.
Good news number 12. The University of St. Louis extended a warm welcome to Dr. J. Prospero E. Rivera III, Chairperson of the Commission on Higher Education, in a brief ceremony held in Bishop Padilla Learning Hall on November 18, 2023. Dr. Emmanuel James P. Pataguan, VP for Academics, Dr. Rina M. Reyes, VP for Administration, Dr. Celso L. Tudao, our VP for Finance, and other members of the Extended Advisory Board led the welcome event along with the USL community. The visit marked the academic community's engagement in 𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪𝗪 with the current state of each private higher educational institutions and engaging in meaningful dialogues with their TES grantees.
You have just heard a series of good news about the latest achievements and happenings in the university. Our mission of constant dedication to service ensures that everyone involved has a remarkable experience.
With its unwavering commitment to teaching, learning, service, and stewardship, the University of St. Louis continues to provide its students and stakeholders with quality standards of education.
And talking about quality education, be first on the list as a Louisian because USL College entrance test is ongoing.
Be a Louisian now and experience quality education. Visit the USL official Facebook page for further details.
We thank everyone who has listened and stayed with us. See you in 2024 for another episode of USL Passirimmu.